Okay, guys, so this is the part 2 of how to use Applyboard to simplify your application as an international student. Okay, so today's video, the past video we've done on creating an account and completing your profile. So now is the time for us to apply. So we are going to find programs, select universities, then apply to them. That's what we are going to do here. So we click on find programs. Okay, so that's the first thing you do once you get to this page. So let's wait for it. So you can see here student eligibility filters. If you click on this based on your information you have submitted, your profile, you can see everything here. Okay, based on that, you can see everything here, apply filters. So just forget about this. So now you have, as you can see here, we found 2,000 plus programs for you. Now you are going to select where you want to study. You select the program level, you select the discipline, tuition fee, intake, then you apply filter, then you will see the programs you can apply to. Okay. So now if you click on location, now they have United States of America, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and Ireland. These are the 5 countries. If you want to apply to any of these countries, you can use Applyboard. Okay. So now let's say your focus is what? Where? Let's say Australia, which people are finding it very difficult to do, or United States. So let's click on United States. I don't need all of that. I just need USA. Okay. So now United States is here. Now program level, you are now going to select, you need, is it master's you are looking for? This master's degree. Click on master's, whatever level, postgraduate certificate, diploma. Now that's discipline. Okay, you go to engineering and technology. I just want to do, you can do business, management and economics, elementary and high school, arts, depend on, you should know your area, law, sciences. So sciences here does not mean like engineering, it means like physics, chemistry, biology. So now engineering, you click on this one. Okay, as you click, you will see the programs keep reducing. We found 867 programs, but that's not all. Let's look at the tuition fee. Okay, you can simplify maybe above 30 or universities that are within 20 to $35,000. So let's click on this because we want the list. Okay, let's see if we are going to have any programs for that. We have 406. So now let's change again because I want us to find cheap universities. Okay, let's click on this and let me fine. So now, meaning any of these universities, their tuition fee is going to be around $10,000 to $20,000. But yes, I still want to change that. Can we go up to 10? I don't think we are going to find any university. But let's just see. Let's see. I'm going to click on this. Let's see if we are going to have. We have 13. Okay. Oh, let's see. Fine. So it's help simplify. I don't think. But let's see. So now intake. When is it at, let's say for 2025 January? Let's see if we are going to have any programs that are of engineering related. That will be January. We have 11 programs. So now you've simplified everything. Now we have University of Central Missouri list submit. As you can see here, Masters of Science. This is cybersecurity and information because we clicked on engineering and technology. So you see the gross tuition fee, $8,352,000. They have application fee of 75, and the duration of this program is 24. That's 2 years. Masters of Science, this information system. I don't think you can get like civil or this engineering discipline because of the tuition fee we have reduced. Trinity University Phonics Education Center, Masters of Science, Information System, you see 8,000, and this is 24-month application fee, not applicable. So you don't have to pay any application fee. Okay, you can this again, Masters of Science Information System, As you can see here, no application fee, no application fee. This has application fee. So now you can apply to these other ones if you are from this to success prediction, then why very high create application. So once you figure out the university, you can create application. This again has 75, this has 75, this has 75, and this one does not have technology and innovation. Okay, like the more you reduce, the less Masters of Business Administration information and 7,000. This has $50 application. It's 12-month University of Central Ankara's. This has again 50. Okay, so and this again does not have any application fee. So now, if you want to, so the more you reduce, so let's say the tuition fee now, the tuition fee 20 to 35. So we have more programs. Then I'll click on this one. I don't need this again. Now you see, once you simplify, we found 285 programs for you. So now you can see Masters of Engineering Technology, Masters of Science, Information Technology, Masters of Science in Engineering, this computer, Direct Masters, Accelerated Masters of Engineering, Columbia, and South Carolina. This has no application fee. So that helps you as well to know the university does not have. Wherever you see, this has high application fee. So you can figure out those without application fee. This again does not have, but what is this? This is robotic. Okay. Software engineering. This one does not have any application fee, and it's $28,692 per year. And this is Civil Masters of Engineering, Civil and Environmental Engineering. These are $60 application fees, 22,000. This is Massachusetts. Massachusetts. Okay, location. So University of Massachusetts, that's Mouth. Now, this is Cleveland State University for application fee, as you can see here. And this is Masters of Information System. This is Graduate Direct, Masters of Science, Civil Engineering, no application fee, 21,000 Ohio. Okay. And this again does not have any application. It's electrical engineering, no application fee. Okay. Now you can click because this is the first one, 12. It's like, so you can go again from 12 to 24. Then you have again the other ones. Okay. So 12, 12. Then you can go again, North Arizona University. You can go, this has 65. Look at the program first. So something like that, computer engineering, thesis, information, look for this. All of them do have application fee. If you are looking for application, this one does not have, which is this Masters of Direct Masters Accelerated, this Masters of Engineering. So something like that, so on and so forth. So you can select once you get the university, and so I'm going to click one that does not require any application fee, like this Graduate Direct Masters of Science Civil Engineering. This is Ohio, US, 21,100, no application fee. So once it's accepting application January 2025. So this is Cleveland. Okay, fine. So once I have gotten this university, now you want to apply to this university. I think that will be the next thing we are going to do. So if you click, we found 2,000. This is just the location. Coventry University, Masters of Science, Data Science. So let's click maybe the program as well. This is, let's say, Masters. Okay. Let's click on Masters. Then the discipline, let's say engineering and technology. Okay, so you see, so let's wait for it to finish reading. University of Success International Study Center. This is a pathway, cybersecurity, Masters of Science. The tuition, you can leave this one. And intake, you can say July 2025. or August 2025. That's the next semester of September. So found 1,763 programs. United Kingdom Masters Engineering September. So you get all the programs here and see the amount of money you have to pay, no application fee, no application fee, nil. All of this you don't have to pay application fee. Most of UK universities, you don't pay application fee. Okay? Most, you don't pay application fee. You can see here, application 12 months, you can see no application fee, no application fee. So it helps you simplify the process for you so easily. Okay? So let's change this one to, let's get Australia. Get Australia. And see, I don't want us to rush. Let's go to Australia. So now we have Australia, and we found 44 programs. Victoria University, Sydney, no application fee, 24 months, 27,700 Australian dollars. And which program is this? This is Masters of Applied Information Technology. You don't have to pay any application fee. So once you just create application. And this again, no application fee, no application fee, no application fee. You just apply to the university with the hope of getting scholarship as well. Okay, this is Australia. This is Australia. No application fee, no application fee, no application fee, and no application fee, no application fee, no application fee. As you can see, no application fee. 34,000. So again, the money again, if you want to tuition, let's say around 20. Let's see if we are going to have any programs. How many programs do we have? From 20 to 35, we have 20 programs. So let me just reduce again to 20,000 Australian dollars. Let's see if we are going to have any programs. Oh, we have just 2 programs. And that's Sydney campus. This is Motric Postgraduate Qualification Program. Yeah, because that's too small. Maybe that's why. So we can just stick to 35 Australian dollars. And let's see how many programs we have for that. Okay, we have 20 programs. Okay, and this is just for engineering and information. If you change this one maybe to art or business, so you can change again the discipline. You can click here. So now you can say business. If you want to look at 2 programs, that's good. You can click on this one. So let's see. We have 146 programs on our business, Masters of Professional Accounting. You see, no application fee, no application fee. Okay. So basically that's it. Just for you to know how to use this one, filter the programs and know which one requires application fee, which one does not. So our next part of the video is going to be on us creating an application. Okay, that's what we are going to do. Okay.